Hey, I'm Jay, and it's my wife Claire, and we've used Beacon Landscape for quite a few things around our home.
We first came across Beacon Landscapes meeting James through the neighborhood. We both live in the same neighborhood, and we've seen his truck drive around, and we've seen some of his work, so we thought it would be a great opportunity to have him do some work in our house.
A lot of people wait until they go to sell their house to make the upgrades that they actually want to it, and we've been blessed with a really great piece of property, and we've sat out here and thought, you know, it'd be nice if we had a few extra things to dress it up beyond what the builder put in originally. We've been in the house for 4 or 5 years now and just felt like it was time to take it to the next level.
When we were looking at redoing our landscaping, we really wanted to go for a more tropical theme and just enhance our home, and we just really love being in the tropical environment, so we wanted to bring that into our home. James was able to come over to our house, and I kind of explained what we were looking for, and he was able to come back really quickly with his 3D vision and show us some ideas. The first time he nailed it. We loved what he had. James and his guys that installed our landscaping did a really great job. They were professional, they were friendly, cleaned up after themselves. They just did a really great job. They really had a vision. They were able to show me the different plants, really just were very well educated.
So we had been out of town for a little bit when they were doing the install, and when we came back just to drive up and kind of see the front of the house redone, it really felt like we had completely redesigned the house almost. It just brought such new life to everything, and it really just took it to the next level, made us feel like we were in a tropical environment that we were looking for, so it was a lot of fun. Yeah, we would highly recommend using Beacon Landscapes for your home upgrade needs. We've had a great time, really happy with the outcome, and excited to enjoy it for years to come.